Hello, y'all. Welcome to another episode of the Creative Diva. And honestly, this week has just been overwhelming because there are so many ups and downs and that goes into the creative path. So as you can see here, I'm just behind my computer and probably on a Zoom attending class. But it is an emotional roller coaster when you are someone creative. So here I'm working out because that's just what baddies do. And then I came back and continue on, this time working on content for the Diva Universe, going through my journaling prompt, taking out things that I know that will work. But regardless, I just wanted to share with y'all that sometimes the ups and downs builds character, and that is very important when it comes to your creative journey, because then it really helps you to find who you are in your art. Within a week span, I had 2 mental breakdowns, 2 great news. Let's get into it. Thank goodness that I went to the gym this week, because your girl was feeling very low vibrational. And when I was going through this experience, I just didn't know why I was feeling so sad, so down. Even though everything was going great, I was just having a very low moment. And I remember just telling myself, you know what? If I'm having this low moment, that means that my next big win is right around the corner. Because it gotta be. So here I am working out, sweating out all of the procrastination and the doubts and the fears and all of that. And within the same week that I was having this low vibrational state, I received great news. And it is so interesting how one of the many facets of the creative journey is having just these slow moments and embracing it. The truth is, fear is a motherfucking lie. Fear is the devil, and we don't play about it. We don't. So guys, welcome to another week where I have been tested by the devil. And let me tell you what my realization is from that. It's 8 p.m. I just finished school from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. That's how we do. Work hard, play hard. Okay, let's get into the story. So it was one of the weeks that I had to remind myself that when fear comes up, it's because I'm doing the right thing. The devil wants you to doubt yourself. It wants you to doubt your ideas. It wants you to doubt your desires. But you cannot allow it. And let me tell you why not. Those ideas are the gift that God gave you to you. The universe gave you those ideas because you're the perfect person to execute and do them. You see, all your ideas are your plans, are God's gift to you, are the universe gift to you. And if you feel the excitement and you take action to do so, then it's because something that you're supposed to be doing. And every time that doubt or fear comes up, you have to remind yourself that when the devil shows up, thank him, because he's showing that you are his worthy opponent, that you're the one that's supposed to be doing this, and that's why you're being challenged right now, and that's why it's showing up with the task. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna be the proof, you're gonna be the example of God, of God's glory. That's what the devil doesn't want you to achieve. And that's why it shows up and it puts doubt and fear. But you have to remember, you are the one. You're here to be the example. You're here to be the one. And when people ask you how, give the glory to God. Every time that doubt, fear, the devil, the lies show up, remind yourself that you are the example. You are the proof. You are the one. Do you think the universe gave you these ideas, these desires, these wants for you not to have it? You're supposed to have it. So every time that the devil shows up with the lies and the fears and the doubts, remind yourself, you are the one. Be the example, be the proof, and say thank you. Because the challenges, the doubts and the fear are proof of why you need to be doing it. Because the devil doesn't want you to be great, but you are.